Hi, this is Jamila Shields with Online Marketing for Newbies. I am here to give you a realistic view on how to start your online business from scratch. Either if you're on a budget or you have no money to start at all and you want to find a business for free. There are some industries out here where you can start for free or on a trial basis just to get started. And I am here to give you tips and tricks that some of the gurus are not going to tell you on how to start your business. Now, first things first, yes, you are going to have to invest some. You can start for free. Like I said, a trial basis for some companies. It may be a 7-day or 14-day trial, but you're going to have to invest in that business sooner or later. Some things that you are going to need in your online business are autoresponders, email autoresponders like GetResponse, Aweber. You're going to need a funnel like ClickFunnels. You can use capture pages to create your funnels. And some of you guys are like, what are these things you're talking about? You have no idea because you're new. I am here to assist you and show you how to grow in these businesses and what these tools are. Now, like I said, you're going to need some money to start. Now, if you don't have a lot of money and you are just looking for extra cash to invest in your business, there are 3 apps that you can download on your phone right now that I suggest for you to earn cash money to help you pay for your tools and your investments. One is Inbox for Dollars. I like Inbox for Dollars because Inbox for Dollars, you can do multiple things on there. You can fill out surveys, you can watch videos, and you can play games, and you can join some of their promotions that they have if that's what you choose to do. They will give you cash for all of these things that you're doing. Of course, you have to do so much in order to earn this cash, but it's a good app to start to get money to pay for your autoresponder. GetResponse is only $15 a month, and that can give you that $15 a month to start. That's just a little golden nugget, little tidbit for you right there. And then there's Swagbucks. Swagbucks is usually surveys and online shopping where you get cash back. Now you will have to do some work with that in your spare time, and they'll give you gift cards and certain items that you can use to buy and purchase things for your business. And if you are that healthy guru, you are the one that likes to exercise and get out and just take a stroll in your neighborhood park, Sweat Coins is for you. That's a great app, and it counts your steps, and you get paid for walking, for just walking. Starts off at like $5 a day, and it can go up. The more steps that you make, the more money that you make. Great. Now, these are 3 items that you can do to start off in your business, with your business. And of course, you're going to have to choose what you're going to do. You have to choose a niche, meaning what are you going to sell? So you can go into the health business, the relationship business. You can go into the healing business. You may sell candles. You may sell t-shirts, but there are different opportunities you can go into, but you will need to know how to promote those businesses also and get training. There are skills to this game, just to let you know. So there are other opportunities. You can do affiliate marketing also, to where you are promoting someone's products and gaining commission on that. Some commissions can be low as $6, and I've seen commissions as high as 100% payout, 100% commission paid to you. That's an awesome commission. I just want to tell you, that's an awesome commission. And then you have the MLM companies where you grow a downline. And when you grow your downline, you are the leader and you can assist others. You are there to help. I am a little fan of MLMs because I like to help people. That is where I am. That's my joy, is to help people. And that is a great way to assist people in growing their business also. And you all get paid. Awesome business. So those are 2 of the online industry. There's so much other things you can do in the online business industry, but these are 2 of the major things that you can do to start off as an online marketer. And of course, you're going to have to get training and skills. Now, I do have some training available for you. It's at a low cost, a one-time payment, and you will find that in my descriptions on my YouTube channel, or you can just go to the scroll down to the bottom of this page, and I will give you my website in order to start that business. Also, it's awesome. It's a business, but it's a training. Yeah, it's realistic. We're all in here to make money, but I do love to help. So this video is going to be quick and short, just a short video to welcome you to the Newbie Marketers channel and to the Newbie Marketers page. I hope to speak with you soon. I hope we can enjoy each other's conversations and we can share ideas with each other. I am here to help, but I'm also here to listen. So see you soon, and you have an awesome, awesome day. From Jamila Shields, here I am. Have a great day. Bye-bye.